Hello. Thank you for stopping by today. We'll do this unboxing of some sticker paper that I bought. I got the vinyl glossy paper, and this is the name of it. And I also got vinyl matte sticker paper, same name. And I'm gonna give these two a try. This says water resistance on that one. They both are water resistant on both. I'm gonna give these a try. I use a different sticker paper, and after I give these two a try, I'm gonna come back and give you my opinion on all three of the sticker papers that I've tried. So thank you for watching. Please sub to the channel and hit the notification bell.
Okay, hey guys, we back. This is what the vinyl glossy paper looks like when it has stickers printed on them, when it has ink printed on them. So this is how it looks. And before you cut it out on like whatever machine you're using, it says on the back, it say, what we get? Drying time. It say drying time. Let it dry for 5 minutes before cutting. So it comes with 15 sheets, and I'll be back after it get done cutting to let you know how the cutting process goes. Okay, I'm back. So this is how it cut out on the machine. Okay guys, so how the stickers look cut out. This one right here, as you can see, like at the top of this one, so it kind of messed up, but that's probably from the machine messing it up. So what I'm gonna do now is try to peel it on camera to show you like if it's easy peel or if it's hard to peel. So let me show you. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so on the back of the package, it says cutting for ease of back end removal while cutting out your newly designed print. Round out any corners for a quicker and easier peel off. So I'm gonna try it with this sticker. It has some round corners. Let's see. Let's see how easy it is to peel. It might be hard to actually peel this off. I can't get it. Oh, there we go. Look, here we go. It wasn't that hard. Here go the sticker. Put on the paper. Okay guys, I'm back. So I had tried to like use two of the stickers that I printed out. This was the first one, this is the second one. So like as you can see on this sticker, the ink kinda smudged because when I took the sticker off the backing, here's the back off the backing of it, and I put it on the paper. I did this to it to like lay it down. When I did that, it made it like smudge like this. But this one didn't do it. So maybe it's a hit or miss. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it with another one and see what happens. I'm gonna try it with this one. So let me hurry up and try this on camera. Give me 1 second, guys, to get the back off of it. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I apply it on here. Okay, so this one didn't really do it. It did a little bit with the R, but I guess it's just a hit or miss. Or it did a little bit next to the V. Oh, it did a lot. Not a lot, but it did a little bit though. So this is a hit or miss. I would rate this probably 5 out of 10. No, probably 7 out of 10. Cause it's not smudging that bad, but it is smudging the. Maybe I gotta let it dry more. I probably didn't let it dry enough. But I did though. I don't know.